Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is an important one, vocabularies for the car spare parts. Of course, there are so many spare parts of the car, but I have named the important and the few one. So makina is engine. Makina is engine. And we have engine oil as well. So we can call that Zayt al-Makina. Oil is Zayt. So Zayt al-Makina, which is engine oil. And if you want to just say engine, which is Makina. Okay. Gear is gear. Gear is in Arabic is gear. So again, if you want to say gear oil, so it will be like just you have to name the part and the oil. Gear oil, Zayt al-Gear. Zayt al-Gear. Or few people this is gearbox. Gearbox. So don't complicate it, just say gear, Zayt al-Gear, they will give you. Battariya is battery. Battariya is battery. Okay. Faramil is brakes. Faramil is brakes. Okay. Again, Zayt al-Faramil oil, brake oil. Zayt al-Faramil brake oil. Tablon is dashboard. Dashboard of the car is tablon. Okay. Musa'adat. Musa'adat is shock absorbers. Musa'adat is shock absorbers. Anwar amamiya, headlights. Headlights is anwar amamiya. Again, anwar amamiya is headlights. Rear lights, anwar khalfiya. Anwar khalfiya is rear lights. Direktion. Direktion is steering. Direktion is steering. And many more is there, as I have mentioned lately. And if you want to learn more about this vocabulary or any other vocabularies, you can get connected to Arabic Talent on the link below.